Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. We're going to look at how to legally change your name in the state of California. So whether you're getting married, divorced, or simply want a fresh start, the process can be straightforward if you know the following steps. So let's climb straight in. Now, it's important to know that the information provided in this video is for information purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. I'm not a legal representative or an attorney. For specific legal concerns or questions, please consult a qualified legal professional. Right? Let's get into this video. The first step is to determine the reason for changing your name. Common reasons include marriage, divorce, personal preference, or a gender transition. Understanding your reason can help you choose the right process. Next, you'll need to complete the necessary forms in California. The main form you'll need is the Petition for Change of Name. This form is an NC 100. You can find this form on the California Court's website or at your local courthouse. Here's what you need to include: your current name, proposed name, and your reason for change. Once you've completed the forms, it's time to fill in your petition at your local superior court. Here's what to keep in mind. There is a filing fee. There is typically a filing fee which varies by country. If you can't afford the fee, you may qualify for a free waiver. The court location. Make sure to file in the country. Oh, I need to do that one again. Once you've completed the forms, it's time to file your petition at your local superior court. Here's what you need to keep in mind. There typically is a filing fee, which varies by county. If you can't afford this fee, you may qualify for a fee waiver. You also need to make sure that you file in the county where you reside. Now, after filing, you'll receive a court date for your hearing. It's important to attend this hearing as the judge will review your petition. Here's what to expect. Be prepared to explain your reason for the name change. The judge may ask questions to ensure that the change is not fraudulent. In some cases, you may need witnesses to support your petition, especially if you're changing your name for reasons related to gender transition. Now, if the judge approves your petition, you will receive a court order granting your name change. Make sure to keep this document safe, as you'll need it for the next steps. Now that you have your court order, it's time to update your identification records. Here's what you need to know. Start by updating your name with the Social Security Administration. You'll need to fill out a Form SS5 and provide a copy of your court order. Next, update your name on your driver's license or your ID card. Bring your court order to the DMV. Notify your bank, credit card companies, and other financial institutions of your name change. Don't forget to update your name on other important documents, such as a passport, insurance policies, or even medical records. By following these steps, you can successfully change your name legally in the state of California. If this was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.